my water is boiling. I'm going to mix in my legs of chicken. The burned scallion and my ginger. And I'm going to sit aside. I need the oil. Andito na yung aking chopped scallion. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mami Nelia Creasey. Guys, our video for today, gagawa tayo ng chicken with scallion sauce and bean sprouts. I'm going to boil water first. Papakulo ako ng tubig. Then I'm going to put scallion, madami, and ginger. And a tablespoon of salt. Pakuluin natin ang tubig. Now my water is boiling. I'm going to mix in my legs of chicken. This is about 800 grams. Then I'm going to cover again and boil until it totally cook. While I'm waiting for my chicken, I'm going to make the scallion oil. I'm going to heat the pan. Add about 3 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2, 3. Heat the oil. Then I'm going to add the pale part of the scallion and my ginger. Very patient to stay until the scallion and the ginger become burned. I need the aroma of scallion and ginger in my oil. Need to be very patient. Keep on stirring. Now my scallion and ginger already burned. So I'm going to take off the scallion, the burned scallion and my ginger, and I'm going to set aside my oil. I need the oil, guys. Guys, my chicken already cooked. I have here bowl with ice water. I'm going to move my chicken in here. You know the reason why, guys? The chicken remained fresh and hindi siya na overcook. And it remains intact. Para malaman nyo kung luto na ba ang chicken, you have to insert barbecue stick or pork. Lumabas yung ano niya na wala ng dugo, then it's already cooked. Put it here for about 10 to 20 minutes. Andito na yung aking half scallion. The green part, 1.5 cup yan. And then grated ginger, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to heat oil. And I'm going to put also half tablespoon of salt. In a separate pan, I'm going to heat oil. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, or you can use olive oil. Pausukin, guys. Kailangan yung mainit na mainit. Umuusok na siya. Lagay natin siya dito. Going to switch off the stove and then I'll put it in. I'm going to put back in the pan while it's still hot, and I'm going to mix in my ginger and scallion oil with the soy sauce mixture. Ayan na siya, guys. Ilalagay ko to sa top of the chicken. This is the sauce of the chicken. I'm going to move in here the water of where I boiled my chicken, mix in my bean sprouts, just like that. Switch off the stove and drain this water. Luto na agad siya, guys. Ini-slice ko na yung chicken. Ilagay ko yung skin facing to the plate or to the bowl. Inilagay ko siya sa bowl kasi I'm going to flip that chicken in here and put the soy sauce and the scallion mixture on the top. So pagka kulang ang salt doon sa boiled chicken, it's okay kasi naandito na yung lasa sa scallion sauce. So ayan na, ini-slice ko siya. You can slice or you can shred. But I slice them para medyo mas maganda. Pero pagka hindi na kaya i-slice, you can shred them. Shred the meat of the chicken. You can boil the chicken 20 to 30 minutes. But 30 minutes is overcooked. So I boiled this for 20 minutes. You look, guys. The meat is perfect, juicy, and hindi siya overcooked. Now I'm going to flip this into my plate para naman siya mag-Instagrammable. That's it, guys. I'm going to set that aside. Slice some cucumber. Garnish cucumber beside the plate. And put the scallion sauce on the top. Layer with bean sprouts. And top with the scallion sauce again. Ayan na, guys. Can't wait to taste test. Oh, diba? So yummy. The aroma is so yummy, yummy. Kain na tayo, guys. Kasi gabi na. It's dinner time. Thank you for watching. Bye!